Hello everyone, this is in brief about reticular formation. Reticular formation includes those parts of brainstem which are characterized by fiber bundles and nuclear masses with discrete function. It is scattered throughout the central part of brainstem. Its connections are complex and extensive. There is hardly any part of the CNS with which the reticular formation is not connected, and there is hardly any function of the body which does not influenced by reticular formation. There are reticular excitatory and inhibitory areas. Excitatory areas are located in reticular substances of pons and midbrain. Excitatory area also called as bulboreticular facilitatory areas. Inhibitory areas are located medially and ventrally in the medulla. This inhibitory area can send inhibitory impulses to spinal cord and reticular facilitatory area. Reticular activating system is a complex of polysynaptic pathway. The system is non-specific. Reticular activating system has descending and ascending fibers, and it is essential for life because vital centrals such as CVS, respiratory, swallowing, vomiting, etc. are located in the reticular formation. It receives and integrates information from all the parts of central nervous system. Its neurons send axons to the most regions of brain and spinal cord. Thus, it influences all the parts of CNS. Pathways that convey information from reticular formation are divided into two systems, that is ascending and descending reticular system. Coming to ascending reticular system, the ascending reticular pathway is also called as reticular activating system, that is RAS. It is a complex polysynaptic pathway whose fibers extend from brainstem to thalamus. It receives afferent collaterals from specific sensory pathways like trigeminal, auditory, olfactory, and visual. A single peripheral stimulus gives rise to impulses which ascend to the cerebral cortex via two pathways: the specific sensory pathways, which are responsible for sensory discrimination, and collateral branch given to the reticular formation. From reticular formation, impulses reach non-specific nuclei of thalamus, and from there cerebral cortex through non-specific ascending pathway. Reticular system functions by arousing consciousness, without which sensory discrimination is impossible. Pathways for arousal and alertness. Some fibers from cerebral cortex, especially from the superior temporal gyrus and frontal lobe, descend and join to form corticofugal fibers. Together with reticular activating system, the system provides pathway by which intracortical events can initiate arousal and responsible for alerting emotions. This is a diagram showing the ascending pathway where they form the fibers from different ascending tracts. They go to the thalamus where they go to the interlaminar nucleus, and they will form non-specific thalamocortical radiation, and they create a sense of awareness. That is the important function of reticular formation or ascending reticular formation. Descending reticular system. The reticular fibers that descend to the spinal cord from reticulospinal tracts. It modifies the activity of spinal motor neurons, and this system comprises of descending inhibitory reticular system and descending facilitatory reticular system. Some of the important functions of reticular formations to enumerate are: the reticular activating system and related components are concerned with alertness, maintenance of attention, and wakefulness that makes perception possible. Second, control of muscle tone and regulation of postural reflexes. Third one is role in the integration of autonomic activity through connection to autonomic nervous system. Fourth is conditioning and learning. Fifth is reticular formation is connected to hypothalamus and limbic system. Hence, it plays an important role in emotional reactions. This is in brief about reticular formation. Thank you.